I hope you are fine and I am also fine. In this video, I am going to introduce you one of the great project. His name is Lunar Land. So what is Lunar Land? Fly me to the moon. You can check if you want to buy, you can check it on PancakeSwap, okay? It's also available on PancakeSwap, okay? And you can check its store if you want to check its store and if you want to read its white paper, okay? You can check its social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram. Okay, I'm just opening it and I will show you how you can buy it. First of all, you need to connect your wallet, okay, with MetaMask, okay. Just click on connect and select MetaMask or Trust Wallet, whatever, or Math Wallet or Token Bucket, which wallet you are using, okay. If you're using MetaMask, you can select MetaMask, okay. Just select it and just scroll down, okay. And if you want to buy it, okay, and if you have only 0.1 BNB, you will get at 5930 token, okay. And if you have 0.2 BNB, okay, you will get 11,825 tokens. If you want to check price in USD of per tokens, just select BUSD, okay. Yes, you will select BUSD, okay, and just type here one, okay. If you check the one token of one token price, sorry, I'm checking, I want to know token of one token price, so I just type which one, okay. The price of per token almost 0.005 BUSD, okay, or dollar you can ask, okay. So if I scroll down, okay, you can check it's a VN, okay, a digital currency and dawn of new era, okay. Loneland, Lunar Land is a digital currency and stored values that offer protection from real-world inflations as the world goes on money printing spree. So it's talking about inflations, okay? The world goes on a money printing spree. We encourage liquidity with no tax trading by rewarding early adopters and putting 100% back into the liquidity pool, okay? And if you want to check summation, reward our community as we grow our unique contract features. Okay, you can check it's a differentiate token. Okay, so Lunar Land will burn coin supply until we reach one lunar distance in coin. Okay, so we will burn tokens until we reach one lunar distance in coin. So it's mean 400 million coins. A burn rate of 99.6 from the initial pool of 1 trillion coin reduced supply. Okay. So if you want to know it's some more, so you can click on just read more. Okay. If you are interested to learn more about this, just click on wallpaper, okay. And if it's cold down, you can check it's a burn on. Lunar Land is suitable for to, with excellent return potential, okay. If you are investors, you can buy tokens, but always invest at your own risk. I am not responsible for your any kind of loss or profit. So weekly burn cycle will be a 90% of tokens and a distributed 10% tokens to the holders. If you are holders, okay, 10% tokens will distributed always to the holders, okay. If you are holding this token, you will get 10%, okay. So you can also check it's a weekly burn cycle. Lunar Land will also have weekly increasing burn cycle, which will be randomized and announced 3 hours before burn, okay. And if you check it's why Lunar Land, so why choose Lunar Land? So infinite money printing of financial system skews towards the utilities and absence of reward for the 99%. Something is broken. Okay. The cryptocurrency, the blockchain changed the Lunar Land. While Lunar Land is about investment and potential for everyone. If you want to buy LLN, you can buy it on PancakeSwap. Okay. And you can check its tokenomics. Its the total supply is 1 trillion. Okay. The initial supply 1 trillion. The target supply is 400 millions. Okay. And you can check it's a 40 million for development and marketing and a 99.96 supply will be found. Okay, so all will be remain for Hamilton supply. So it's a, if you are early user, you should have a great opportunity for buying this. Okay, so launch Lunar Land of 10 gigs where further ecosystem development, expansion of marketing campaign to drive coin adoptions. Okay, you can check its roadmap looking very good. Okay, and if I check it, if I click on this, you can check its listing on CoinMarketCap, listing on CoinGecko, initial development of Lunar Land, online store app. For developer also provide online store app where you can buy different things. Okay, and you can check its Lunar Land listed on additional text platform, merchandise partner for Lunar Land store. Okay, and if you check its Q4 Lunar Land store launch and merchandise partnerships in place. Okay, so it's looking good. Okay, and if you have any question, you can and just subscribe, and you can mail on this side if you have any questions. If you want to check its Twitter, you can check its Twitter looking very good. And if you want to join Telegram, if you want to check video about this platform, you can check it's on YouTube. Okay, you can also subscribe his channel on YouTube. Okay, and so it's looking very good. So if you want to read some white paper, also available in English, German, Spanish, so it's all based on you which language you can understand. Okay, so if you want to check Lunar Land introduction, you can check it. So okay, so it's looking good platform. You can check it's 60 or 50 followers. Okay, and 66 following. You can check it. So Lunar Land is officially on PancakeSwap. It's also available on PancakeSwap if you want to buy. You can check it's also different competitions. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe my channel. And take care and goodbye and have a fun.